Meet Dubai's real-life wedding planner, the woman behind 1,000 I-Dos.
Hi, Expat Media. My name is Rachel Ann Bondad. I'm the owner of Devouse Weddings and Events, managed by Yala & Co. We are an events company here in Dubai.
When couples picture that perfect Dubai wedding, chances are Rachel Ann Bondad made it happen. She's the CEO of Devouse Weddings and Events, and she's helped over 1,000 couples tie the knot in the UAE. From intimate civil ceremonies to lavish 190,000 dirham weddings, she's done it all. But here's the plot twist. She didn't start in ballrooms. She started as a cafe attendant in Dubai Marina Mall, a single mom at 21 who left her 4-month-old daughter in the Philippines to build a future.
I came here in the UAE. I was 21 from province in the Philippines. Very innocent when I came here.
She also juggled roles as cashier, kitchen staff, and children's party assistant. It was exhausting work, but it gave her her first taste of event planning.
Working with different nationalities, different cultures, it's a learning process for me.
She later joined Emirates Group's Donata as a customer service agent, where she worked for nearly 8 years.
Doon ko natutunan yung lahat ng process ng pakikisama sa iba't ibang nationalities. Marami kang makakasalamuha na iba yung culture nila, iba yung ugali. So, kailangan mo talagang irespeto yung bawat tao na makakasalamuha mo. And
In 2019, while working in Dubai, Rachel saved enough to start her first business in the Philippines, a small printing press that produced shirts and souvenirs for community events. It was her first taste of entrepreneurship, and it thrived until the pandemic struck.
nung dumating yung COVID, parang overnight pagising ko, wala na yung business, parang hindi siya nakasurvive. Tapos, yung parang magigising ka na lang isang umaga, iiyak mo na lang yung magbabayad ka ng loan, wala na yung savings mo, tapos wala na yung financial stability mo. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako mag-start.
The experience, though painful, became a turning point. In 2022, Rachel joined a Dubai-based wedding company where her talent shone. She was quickly promoted to junior wedding planner, and later to wedding planner, handling everything from intimate ceremonies to grand multicultural weddings.
Yung 6 months na yon, mabilis yung growth ng career ko sa event industry. Pero hindi ganun kadali ko nakuha yung posisyon na yon. Pinagtrabahuan ko talaga siya. Gumigising ako minsan ng 5 a.m. just to attend my 7 a.m. wedding. And then, nakikipag-meeting ako sa clients minsan ng 12 a.m., 1 a.m. So parang minsan 3 hours na lang yung tulog ko, 4 hours.
And instead of quitting, she launched her own company before turning 33.
Na-enjoy ko kasi yung everyday pupunta ako sa couple na may bagong love story akong maririnig. Tapos yung, alam mo yung feeling na pupunta ka sa trabaho mo pero ang saya ng feeling mo. Hindi ka pupunta sa, yung na pupunta na stress ka or something.
Now with DeVows, she doesn't just design dreamy weddings. She guides couples through the legal process too. Civil marriages, Islamic ceremonies, paperwork across Emirates. She makes love stories official.
Kasi yung mga couple na nami-meet ko, they really like to open up how they met. Actually, pag mag-open ako ng isang book about love story, I think I have all the stories with all the couples. Since 2022, I have assisted more than 1,000 couples. So, it's all civil marriage, Islamic marriage, and other religious like church weddings that I have assisted. So, yung mga kwento nila, yun talaga yung nag-inspire sa akin para mas gawin ko pa yung best ko to create more unforgettable memories. Yun.
From cafe attendant to CEO, from heartbreak to helping others celebrate love. That's not just event planning, that's purpose.
For me, what makes it special, the Vows for me is not just a company, it's not just a business. For me, it's very personal. It's very personal because every client I meet, every couple that I have meeting with, I always try to build a relationship because that relationship will bring out the best of the event. Because kung hindi ko aalamin yung istorya nila, hindi ko sila makikilala kung ano yung gusto nilang imagine on that day. Kasi ako yung event planner na gusto ko, alam ko yung gusto mo. ayoko nung ang mangyayari sa event mo is yung gusto ko. For example, kasi magkakaiba tayo ng taste. I've dealt with so many brides, stress bride, calm bride, a very humble bride, different kind of brides that I've handled. So, I don't want it to happen na makikita niya is yung gusto ko on the event day. Ang gusto ko, pag nakita niya yung event, is yun yung gusto niya. Yun yung nakita, nai-imagine niya during our meeting. So, kapag nandun na kami sa event day at nakita kong sobrang saya niya, nawala na lahat yung pagod ko. Ayun.
Read the full interview on expatmedia.net and get in touch with Rochelle at devowsweddings.com.